Most people are not failing because they dream too small. They're failing because they make change feel too heavy. They choose a huge goal, a huge timeline, a huge version of who they want to become, and then they try to carry all of it at once. For a few days, it feels exciting. You feel motivated. You feel ready. But then, real life shows up. You get tired. You get busy. You miss one day, then two, and suddenly, that goal that once inspired you starts making you feel like maybe you're the problem. But what if you were never the problem? What if the problem was the way you were taught to change? What if, instead of treating your future like a test you have to pass, you started treating it like an experiment you get to run? Because experiments feel different. They feel lighter. They don't demand perfection. They demand curiosity. A goal says, prove yourself. An experiment says, let's find out. And that changes everything. Instead of saying, I'm going to reinvent my life, say, I'm going to run a tiny experiment. Maybe it's writing for 30 minutes a day for 30 days. Maybe it's walking 20 minutes a day for 20 days. Maybe it's reading 10 pages every night. You're not promising forever. You're not trying to prove who you are. You're simply testing what works. And that's powerful, because real progress doesn't come from pressure. It comes from feedback. When your experiment ends, you only have 3 choices: persist, pause, or pivot. Keep going if it's working. Pause if it doesn't fit your life. Pivot if it needs adjusting. That's the beauty of it. There is no failure here, only information, only learning, only growth. So before you set another massive goal, pause and ask yourself, can I turn this into a tiny experiment? Because your next breakthrough may not come from thinking bigger. It may come from starting smaller, smarter, and more honestly than ever before.